Hey everybody, we got Mila here. Mila's a Husky. She's been in before, and I had notes all over her chart. She was in here 6 months ago. Notes all over her chart to do her first because she's harder to dry and harder to work with. I even had a handling charge on her, which I almost never do. And that was the first time I've seen her, so this is the second time. It's been 6 months. Maybe she'll do better for me. I sure hope so. She's my first dog of the day. And she's a sweet girl, huh? She's been back there with her brother, Cooper. And they've been howling and singing. So I'm going to see how she does today. First one of the day. She's a Husky, though, so she's already doesn't like this, huh? That's just how Huskies are. So I'm not wearing my GoPro today just because I didn't really write in-depth notes about how she did last time. But the fact that I put a handling charge on there, which I never ever do, makes me know that this is going to be stressful for us both, huh, baby? What's your foot? I didn't have muzzling notes, so I don't think she tried to bite. Otherwise, I'm pretty sure I would have made that specific. But last time was the first time she had been here. First time we had ever met. So maybe she was just keyed up because of that. And now she'll be a little more relaxed. We'll hope. We hope. But if you want to see that video, that one's all on GoPro. I'll put a link to it in the video. So far, so good, baby. But this will also show you, if you watch the other video, which would have been June, I believe. Yeah, 6 months ago was June. The difference in a different 6 months and the time of year it makes in a Husky's coat. You're just going to talk the whole time. I remember that. A Husky that talks the whole time. I know, baby. These back nails are short. She is obviously rear wheel drive. I know, honey. Just tipping these guys. Good girl. All right. I got 2 bottles of fresh shampoo, nice and warm. You good girl. I know. You hate this. I don't want to do it either, baby. I got to, though. Nice warm water. You gotta see your butt, okay? Go wash your butt first. These guys. We'll put subtitles on this. I know. If any of y'all out there have Huskies or have seen any of my other videos, that'll be a very common or a very relatable sound. The cries of the Husky. How much my Husky talks is probably the most endearing thing about him. But sometimes I just say, why you gotta talk so much? You never stop talking. Good girl. Here, get your butt. All those grip strength exercises I do help me get into these really thick coats. Really is a forearm workout. Not dirty, you just stick. I know, baby. Good girl, Mila. Good girl. Oh, good girl. I knew these guys were coming in today, and I brought a change of shirts. Sing it, baby. You're okay. It's just what Huskies do. You see my Husky. Made a few videos of him. He's not quite as sing-songy. He definitely hollers during the blow drying. Unfortunately, it's got to be done. There's not really any other way around it. It's not like you can do it while they're sedated. And a lot of dogs, drugs like Valium or acepromazine don't really have the right effect. It just makes them loopy. Why you get quiet?
Why you get quiet?
You like it around your head? That's weird. I try not to put shampoo directly onto a Husky's head. One, they hate it. And then you gotta rinse it and rinse it and rinse it. So I try to pull everything from their neck up onto their head. Still does the trick without getting it super concentrated around their ears. Ears is the main thing. Unless they're really used to it. And obviously, this girl is not. So she would appreciate me not putting shampoo directly on her head. Good girl. You hear that, poodle? Try to let them, if they're dogs that move around a lot, I try to do what I can when I can. If she's facing the corner, I'll do her butt. If she's facing the corner on the other side, I'll do that. And eventually, we'll get it all done. Squeeze through it and see if you're pulling any more soap out of there. Seems intuitive, but of course you got to get all that soap out of there, especially on a thick coat like this. I think she likes it around her head. It's like soothing. But this is about the end of it with this. Then we got to blow dry. If you've ever seen a Husky video, you know they're not into that. Not even my Husky. So, get everything out of the way so she can flip and flop. You take a girl. And you can't leave a double-coated dog like this wet. It makes serious problems for their skin and their coat. So, gotta blow them out. Necessary evil, Mila. Try to get as much with the towels as I can. The drier they get, the more hair comes off of them. Got me. Yeah, that's why I brought a change of shirt. Yeah, you look proud of yourself. You got me. The least place they like being blown the worst, the least, is their heads. Every dog across the board, except for maybe some deaf dogs. Some deaf dogs really like getting their head blown. But try to get their heads as dry as I can with the towels. Get some of this water. One more, okay? One more towel. And then the dreaded blow dryer. Years ago, I had 2 Huskies and I took them to another groomer because I didn't have time and they were very dirty. I was out of town. And they came back to me still brown and still wet. And that is something I'll never do. And they didn't say anything about it. They didn't say sorry or we weren't able to do a good job. And my dogs were good dogs. They lived with me in a dog grooming shop, basically, their whole lives. So I know they weren't hard to do. So there was no excuse for that. But if you don't do a good job, just don't do a damn job. But of course, I paid and I probably tipped because that's how you do it. All right, blow dryer. Good girl. I agree. That feel good? Good girl. Good girl. Husky. The itchy spot. Good girl, Mila. That was new. I don't think she laid down once the first time. From what I remember, I think she's doing much better. Good girl. Good girl.
Feels so much better. Yeah. Good girl, Mila. Girl. Good girl.
All right. I just got to do the rest of this brushing out when she is dry. Show you some of this destruction. Husky destruction. Why do you have a hard time doing this? Hair everywhere. You just a mess, big girl. You did pretty good, though. You still crazy husky. You're still a crazy husky. But you did good. So 45 minutes, 46 minutes. And then we got to do the rest of you. But we'll just leave this video at that. So say bye. Say bye, Mila. Thank you for your song. You guys like, subscribe, do all those things. Peace.